れはLWD と呼ばれるもので、パイプの先につけて、校内の状況を測定するためのツールです。具体的には人工地震等を発生させまして、その地震波を測定するためのツールです。
Oh yeah, that's right one. Still, backwards, forwards. I'll put it on the back and let's see if that's a view of the donkey dick.
I mean, you can maintain
Maintain the system.
これはLWD と呼ばれるもので、パイプの先につけて、校内の状況を測定するためのツールです。具体的にはこの中には地上のガンマ線を測定する装置、それから中性子検層、それと非抵抗検層、方位傾斜、その他人工地震等を発生させまして、その地震波を測定するための装置です。
Okay, action.
Line them up, spin up to the rotary table. Just smooth. Okay.
Chikyû.
Right. No, I didn't mean it as a criticism. So they're the predicted check shot. Right.
And then when the level will increase, 50 meters to 80 meters maximum.
We are expecting to spot in as soon as possible, but safety is first. We really would like to finish within 1 week the LWD operation.
Scientists been excited by their findings so far, and also the ship's captain and everybody is really cooperating together to proceed to the this site, success of this site.
We are increasing the toll, increasing the annual pressure.
And then our goal is to come back to the same site with a full LWD suite. And are we going to be able to?
During this expedition, which is the first one of Nantra size, we're focused completely on getting this logging data. Logging data means we put sensitive instruments right into the drill pipe itself. So we drill a hole down deep below the surface and make measurements of all the properties of those rocks and the fluids and stress and pressure in the rocks deep down below the seafloor, actually. So right now, some of these sites we've already drilled. The water depth is more than 2,000 meters. We plot out all of the data that we record, these logs, from the surface, from the seafloor here, down more than 1,000 meters, all the way to the bottom of the hole. We've drilled several different sites, and they're laid out in front of us, one site, two, and the third one.